Hey y'all. I cannot believe that I got my sister on the camera with me right now.
My God! Wow!
It is. This is very different for me and for her. If you know, y'all know she do not like the camera. But I brought her out because y'all, I got this. Remember, I just ate them noodles.
You said remember?
That's how I talk.
What I said!
Alright, go ahead.
Remember, I just got them noodles. This the sauce that go on them noodles. So we got Popeye's chicken, we got biscuits, we got mashed potatoes and gravy, and red beans and rice. And we about to get it in. We about to see her reaction to this. Y'all already know my reaction. Where your water?
I don't either.
Not ready. Okay, let me mix up my stuff. Give me a second, y'all. I'm about to get this together. Hold up, y'all. Give me a second. I gotta go get some spoons.
Wait, what you gotta mix up?
The, fork for you. Sorry, y'all. Fork for me. I got the mix up. Yeah, we got paperware. I don't care how y'all be thinking. We got paperware.
So this is supposed to be like a real hot sauce?
Yeah.
I didn't see your last video.
Wow. Family doesn't support me.
I support you. I just didn't see it.
I just can't believe you're on camera right now.
Yeah, me neither.
How does it feel?
I don't know. Weird.
You look great. You look good.
Thanks.
You look blessed.
I'm just ready to try this chicken because you claim it's supposed to be so hot.
Okay, we about to get it in. Okay. Go ahead. You could go first. I'm about to get my size together.
Hold on, y'all.
Y'all, I added a special seasoning to this red beans and rice.
So this supposed to be real hot. So you telling me this too much? It don't smell hot.
Mm-hmm.
So this like a challenge?
We about to see. Go ahead. This ain't no. Let's see. Your nose running already. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Let's get the camera.
It's a little spicy. Wait. it ain't like real hot.
Excuse me, I don't got corona.
It's not hot.
Girl, please. You know what? I think she being funny.
I'm not being funny, y'all. Y'all had this? You know it ain't hot when you doing this to the plate.
Wow. You want a biscuit?
Mm-mm.
It's not hot.
I mean, it's making my nose run, but it ain't hot.
Go for another one then.
Oh, it's the aftertaste. It's the aftertaste.
What the aftertaste? A little hot.
Hold on, this video.
What? What's wrong?
Hold on, it's hot. It's hot. I'm crying. Can I get some water?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just the aftertaste. Did I say me? I drink out the bottle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, we need to do a zoom in. Oh my God. Okay, y'all.
I didn't think it was gonna be that hot.
Girl.
I mean, it's not really hot. I gotta go.
Where you going? It's y'all, she done left the building. Oh my God. I told y'all. And you ate my chicken wing. And you know I like the wing. I think that is 2 thighs. Y'all. She done left the building. When I tell y'all, the sauce is hot, it's hot. You already know I'm about to do it. I ain't gonna do as much as she did. She crazy. See the sauce on there? She crazy. Here we go. Sorry, y'all, I'm back. But my camera had messed up. But look. I tried to tell her it's hot. Now she over there panicking. Mouth on fire. She needs some milk. You alright? Need some ice? Drink some milk. I don't need the rest of it. I just put it good on milk. I'm just reminding you, so. I think I done got used to it. After yesterday, that's still hot though. Yeah, that's a good hot. That good. She thought she was being raw. Talking about some, it ain't hot. Had her crying. Who else? Who up next? Who up next? Cause I'm challenging whoever. Who up next? Okay. Cause this about to get real. That is good. That's real good. I guess I eat hers. She is funny. She cried. What? I hope y'all been teaching y'all kids since they've been out of school. And not just letting them play them games. And I see it ain't even been a whole week yet. And parents talk about some, what is there to do? I need to get these kids out the house. What? You barely a mom, period. Or dad, period. Kids always at school or at grandma's house. And y'all trying to get rid of them already. That's some good. You alright? You talking about some. I'm telling y'all, it's hot. It's hot. You want to join back the camera? You alright? You need some milk? Where my water? Oh, right there. You need some milk? Hey, I wish y'all could see her. No. Oh! Y'all, she in pain. You gotta throw up? Goofy. I tried to tell her. She up there being cute. Trying to be cute and raw. It ain't hot. No, all up here. Remember, y'all? It ain't hot. Yeah, and now she all outside trying to get some fresh air. Somebody come get her. She outside getting fresh air, y'all. Man, couldn't even finish the video. Crazy. Oh, boom. You have to throw up. Man, I'm sorry. She just did that. Wow. I'm telling y'all, it's spicy. You alright? It's hot. It's hot. Feeling better? You want some mashed potatoes? That messed you up, huh? You want to come say something to the camera real quick? No? Okay. Y'all seen it here first. I'm talking on my messing with this girl. Man, y'all seen it here, folks. My sister, first time on the camera ever. Like this right here going down in the books. On the camera, just choked and puked on this sauce. Oh, excuse me, right here. Who up next? Who up next? Let me know. Cause I'm having all y'all try this. Y'all think this is a game. Everybody wanna be like, it ain't that hot, that ain't that hot. Blah blah blah. Yes it is. It's that hot. I'm not playing. I'm so serious. It's hot. If you can't take the heat, get out the kitchen. Okay? Cause we're turning up the heat. I wanna shout out my 2 new subbies. Thank you. Welcome to Dime. Welcome to Diamond Charms channel. Y'all are now dimes now. And we only going up from here. So continue to comment, like, and subscribe. And share with any and everyone. I'm about to get up off of here. I'm signing out. I had to let her try this. And y'all see what just happened. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, and give me some thumbs up, y'all. Diamond here. And I'm